Hey there, my name is Lucas Circelli. I'm here with HVAC Technical Academy and Second Chance University. I'm here to explain the pump down process to you. So basically what the pump down process is what we're going to do is we're going to isolate the refrigerant into the condensing unit, into the condenser coil and all of that within the condenser. The way we do that is by shutting off the liquid line service valve that will allow all of the refrigerant to be sucked in through the suction line into the condenser. As soon as we have that one closed, we have to start really going at it on the other one and closing it real fast. So we will go ahead and do this. Make sure you have your gauges set up so that you can read the pressures as they go through. And you really got to go fast on this. You should start seeing your pressures go down as soon as it starts getting closed. There we go. So your pressure starts dropping real fast. You got to get over here and start closing your suction line. You should start hearing your compressor start to get upset at you and start groaning. Once it gets down below, it'll start really getting mad. You got to shut it off. You got to do this quickly so that you minimize the amount of refrigerant that gets pulled into the line set. The reason you do a pump down is so that you can work on the evaporator coil. You can take it out to clean it. You could replace a faulty TXV valve, anything basically from your service valves to your evaporator coil. Any of that maintenance is done with the pump down.